Namaste, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. Rafi.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. We are fine, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, all. Good evening.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, because of enroll new type of joining the class, I was not able to take the quiz and coding session. So, but ma'am,
Yes, Aradhya.
today I have been enrolled now. But in that, it has been saying that new WhatsApp group I have been found that Podium School 118/118.
So you joined?
Yes, ma'am, I have been joined. So, ma'am, may I delete the मैम मैं पुराना वाला व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप डिलीट कर दूं?
Sure. हाँ. It's okay.
ओके मैम, मैं पुराना वाला डिलीट कर दूंगी, फिर नए वाले भी आएंगे ना मैसेज?
हाँ, नए वाले में भी आएंगे.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Excuse me, ma'am. What do we need for the class?
You don't need anything for today, just a pencil and a notebook. Okay, so you were, do you all face any issues while joining with the new type, like from the website?
No, ma'am. I don't have any issue.
Okay, anyone else has any issues?
No, ma'am. I don't have any issues.
No ma'am, I don't have any.
No, ma'am. I don't have any issues.
Okay, guys, that's great.
Excuse me ma'am, can I take any rough notebook and pen?
Yeah, you can.
Topic? Ma'am, what's the topic?
Fun with numbers for today.
Fun with numbers, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good
All
evening,
great.
ma'am.
Good
How are
evening,
you?
good evening everyone. Hi, so excited to see you all together again.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
I hope you all are excited for today.
Yes, ma'am. We are so
Yes, ma'am. I'm
excited for
excited.
today's class.
Wow, that's great, that's great. Let your friends join in, let more kids join in. We are about to start within 2 more minutes, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat what we are going to learn today?
We are going to learn fun with numbers.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Let's just wait for a few more minutes, guys, for 10 minutes, and then we'll begin this session because we are just 26 participants right now. and I want more of your friends to join. So let's just wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, what do we need for the session? Ma'am, your screen is
Okay.
sideways.
Okay, kids. So let us talk something till that. Okay. Are you all ready with the materials what we need today?
Ma'am, on the message.
No, ma'am, we don't know what are the materials.
Oh my God. You all know, and you all have that thing, what is needed today.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
You know what,
I
Stan? Do
don't
you want to know?
what thing I
Ma'am, one book and one pencil.
Yes, ma'am, we want to know what things we need.
Do you want to know?
Yes, and fingers we need.
A beautiful smile on your faces. And we need that. Can I see beautiful smiles? Okay, thank you so much. That's what we need
Excuse me,
today.
ma'am, I don't know how many things we need or which things we need.
That's what I'm telling you, baby. We don't need anything. We just need little smiles on your faces. Can you show me a cute smile? Wow. Oh my God. That's so sweet. That's what we wanted today. We're just waiting for a few more minutes and we'll again begin.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Excuse me, Faiz ma'am. Faiz ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Aradhya. Should I delete the 108 group? Means मैं जो पुराना वाला group था वो delete कर दूं?
Did you receive any message so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, then you can do that.
Ma'am? Ma'am, SS will not even write in the home, ma'am. He'll be saying, Mom, write my classwork, write my homework. He'll be just saying like that, ma'am. Always.
Excuse me, Shogun ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we are going to do today? Means ma'am, I know that we are going to do fun with numbers, but means which thing in it?
That's a little surprise. Stay awaited for a few minutes and you will know that what we are going to do today. But I'm sure whatever we are going to do today, you are going to learn beautiful skills of adding and subtraction.
उठो, ज्वाइन कर दिया मैंने. मीठी. Hello.
So that if you have any questions, you can definitely ask me.
Excuse me, Shogun ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am sitting with one paper and a pen.
Okay.
Ma'am, your video is not visible.
It will be visible, baby. I hope it's visible now.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
It is very. I अपनी दिख रही हूँ कैसे आएगी अभी फोटो?
Ma'am, please switch on your camera. Ma'am, I am not able to see you.
I'm just putting it on.
Ma'am, your video is not visible, ma'am.
Just putting it on, baby.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am, please switch on your camera.
My camera is on.
Okay, guys. So I think we have 52 so far. Thank you all. First of all, good evening, everyone, for joining today's session. We have today Shagun ma'am. I
Good
think
morning, ma'am.
most of you know who Shagun. Let me mute you all. You can write in the chat box if there's anything. Of because she has conducted a lot of amazing classes before. So, Shagun ma'am is a master's in English language and she has her own company called as Dreams Creation. Can you imagine such a beautiful name that is Dreams Creation? And you know what? It is about, she believes in helping people who are not able to afford education. So, can you imagine how beautiful that is? Helping out someone who can't really afford education, because we know how important education is. So, she believes in that and she helps them realize their dreams. So, that's something which Shagun ma'am does, and that's so beautiful. And really, she's so helpful, and we should draw inspiration from her. And we can at least do something from our part, which is just little, like helping out our friends if they have doubts or anything, just the basics. But see, the smaller steps, the smaller steps that we form may lead us to like the bigger thing, right? So she has like a bigger motive, which is affording other children's education. So that is beautiful, and let's just ensure that we do something similar in the future. So in today's class, we will learn fun maths with fun maths, like playing with numbers, and it's gonna be about quick additions and subtractions up to 100 using your fingers. So that's a surprise from Shagun ma'am, and it's her magic that she's gonna show you guys. So let's begin with this session, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you so much, Faiza ma'am, for introducing me so beautifully. Okay, kids, so I hope you all are excited. Can you show me beautiful smiles if you're excited? Yes. Oops, I know you cannot unmute yourself, but I can see your beautiful faces. That's great. I just wanted to see your smiles, and that I can see. Okay, let's begin. Do you know what we are going to learn today? We are going to add a beautiful sum of addition and subtraction within seconds. Let me do it something for you. 22 plus 22 plus 55 minus 44 plus 33 plus 11 minus 22. What is the answer? Anyone? Got shocked? Oops. The answer is 77. And you want to know how it comes? Do you want to do it in same quickly methods? Do you want to do that? Yes? That's what we are going to learn today. Yeah. Okay. So children, what you have to do is, you have two hands, right? You have two hands? Everyone, show me your hands. Oh, let's warm them. Show me your hands. Okay. So which is your left hand? Right? This is my mirror image. So consider this. Oops. Consider this as my left hand, as your mirror image. Okay? I'm just doing mirror image for you. Okay? So this is my left and this is my right. Right? So what you have to be sure, acha, how do you write 10 in maths? On which side you write 1 and on which side you write 0? 1 on left side or on right side? Yes, 1 on left and 0 on right. That's beautiful. So now what we have to do is, show me your left hand. This is the hand on which there will be the numbers up to 9. Can you imagine counting 9 numbers on the single hand? Can you imagine that you can count till 9 on the single hand? No? Yes? Not like this. Not like this. Okay, let's do that. So this is your left hand. Open your left hand, everyone. Now what you have to do is, thumb inside, fingers outside. Fold it like this. Show me this. Show me a punch. Oops, but don't fight with anyone, right? Don't punch anyone. You just have to show it to me, okay? Don't punch anyone. Promise me you will not punch. Then only I will teach you. Okay, that's great. Nice. Okay, so this is a punch. And this is number 0. In Fun with Maths, what we are going to do, we are going to learn some numbers with expressions. So which number is this? 0. This is 0. And 0 is for punch. Oops, punch your hands. Yes, you can punch your hands, but don't punch each other, okay? So 0 is for punch. Just remember this. Now coming to the first number. 1. 1 looks like a stick, right? Everyone has seen a stick? Everyone has seen a scale at your teacher's desk? So 1 is for stick, right? 1 is for stick. Yeah. Now coming to the second number. Open one more finger. That's 2. And whenever you click your pictures, what you do? Ooh, you do like this. This is the sign of victory. This is the sign of victory. And you know, it is one alphabet also. Which alphabet it is? V. Yes. So 2 is for victory. You can say 2 is for V or 2 is for victory, right? Coming to the third number. Open one more finger. You have to remember the numbers and symbols, okay? I will ask you afterwards. So, which letter is this? W, yes. So, 3 is for W. And this is, in cricket, what do we call it? Think. What do we call it in terms of cricket? Wicket, yes. So 3 is for W and 3 is for wicket. Okay. Now coming to the another number. Open one more finger. Which number it is? 4. And you know what does 4 consider? You want to know? 4 is for snake. Oops. Snake. Snake can hiss. 4 is for snake. Show me your snake. Show. Yeah, that's beautiful. Very cute snakes are here. Wow. I'm loving your snakes. Okay. Okay, so 4 is for snake. You have to remember the symbols, okay? I will ask you afterwards. Then, in terms of Fun with Maths, this is 5. This is 5. The thumb is considered as 5. Okay? Right? So 5 is for thumbs up. 5 is for thumbs up. I hope you all like thumbs up, but we should not drink Coke much. Yeah? So thumbs up, or we can say all the best. What we can say? All the best. Which is this number? Number 5. Okay? Yes. Now, what was this number? This was 1. So we have add 1 in 5. And this is 6. What is this number? Yes, Aradhya, you're correct. So 6 for smile. Everyone can smile like this. Everyone can show me a beautiful smile. Yes, 6 is for smile. Now we will add one more number to it. And it will be 7. And 7 is for, who will tell me? Everyone knows that, yes. Yes, Charles, very good. 7 is for gun. Yes, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Great, beautiful. Coming to the another number, add one more number. And do you know what it is? This is a flag, or you can also say a fish. Whatever you like, it is a fish. So 8 is for fish. 8 is for fish. Beautiful. Coming with the last number on this hand. That's 9. And 9 is for bye-bye. No. I'm not going anywhere. Don't say bye-bye. Yes, 9 is considered as bye or hello. Or 9 is also for slap. But no, we don't have to slap anyone. Okay? So it's hi and bye. Hello. Hi, hello, bye. Okay? Cool? Everyone remembered? Now I'm asking 2 questions and you quickly have to answer. So number 7. What it considers? Number 7. Yes, quickly. Gun. Arnav. Very good. The first answer was Arnav's answer. Very good, Arnav. So number 7 is gun. Okay. Now, which is this number? Smile. Kasturi. Very good. Beautiful. Okay. Now coming to tens. Okay. We have cleared the ones on this hand. Now we are going to clear the tens on this hand. Right? So we can keep one hand down and we can make 0 on a tens hand, right? So make both zeros now. On left, on right, right? Now on left side, make 1. Make 1. Okay, tell me what number is this? 1 and 0? 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. You always do it with me. We are going to count till 99. Fatafat, quickly, quickly. So 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. No need to write, kids. No need to write. It's okay. You just have to show me your fingers. I just want to see who all are doing. Okay? So 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. How we will make 20? Show me. How we will make 20? 2, 0. Krithi. Very good. 2, 0. 20. Prisha. Very good. 2, 1. 21. 2, 2. 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25. Okay, now 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, and 3, 0, 30. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to show you fingers and you quickly have to answer me that what number I am making. Ready? Sure? Okay. So I'll make numbers and you have to show me. You have to just write in the message quickly. Let's see who will answer it first. Okay, so my magical hands, show me the number. Write it quickly. I cannot see a right answer till now. 87. Yes. Who was this? Who wrote 87? Very good, Chaitanya. Very good, Kasturi. Fiona. Beautiful. Okay. So how it is 87? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 5, 6, 7. 87. Right? Another number. My magical hands, show me a beautiful number. Yeah, my God, everyone has written so beautifully, quickly. Wow. So excited. Very good. So happy, so happy. Very good. Everyone has responded. Okay. Another number. Quickly. Yes, Arnav. Very good. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay. Showing one more number and then we are going to do some addition and subtraction. Okay. So my magical hands, show me a beautiful number. Yes, it's 87. My God, every one of you, each and every one is brilliant. So beautiful. Very good. So proud of you all. So proud. Seriously, I'm so proud of you all. Okay, now let's see. Okay, learn the sums quickly. Then we will see who will be able to answer a calculation within seconds. Okay, let's see. So now what we have to do is, kids, whenever we have to add any number, we will add from a first finger, like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So these are 4. Now, when we have to subtract them, we don't have to minus it from this side. We have to subtract it from this side. Okay? So every time addition starts with your index finger and subtraction starts with your little finger. Got it? I hope I'm clear. Okay, so my first question, you quickly have to write down your answers. Okay, so 3 plus 1 minus 2 okay, don't write the answers like this. I will ask you the whole question. When I will say what is the answer, then you have to write down the answer. Okay, so kids, don't write the answers. It will be messed up. Okay. Okay, starting my question again. Make a punch. Whenever you have to start a question, whenever you have to solve a question, you always have to make a punch first. Okay, make both punches. But right now we are going to do single digits, so you can make one punch. On your which hand? Left hand. Left hand is your ones hand, right hand is your tens hand. Okay? Okay. 3 plus 1. I am doing this question with you. One question I'm teaching you how you have to do. So 3 plus 1 minus 2. 1, 2. Then plus 1. Then minus 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? Yes, 0. Ooh, so many messages together. Oh my God, everyone has learned the trick. So now I'm asking the questions. Now let's see who has learned it beautifully. Okay, ready? Okay. So 4 minus 3 Minus from little finger, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. What is the answer? Yes, it's 4. Very good. Everyone has answered so well. Those whose answer is coming 4, clapping for them. Very good. Proud of you all. Let's practice another question. Ready? Ready? Okay. Next question. 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Yes, that's a great answer. Again, if you got the right answer 4, clapping for you. I'm asking the third question. Get ready. 3 more questions. Then we will go with double digit. Okay? Okay. So let me select a difficult question for you this time. You all are able to answer it, right? Okay. So 1 plus 3 minus 4 plus 1. Yes, the answer is 1. If you got the right answer, very good again. Okay, now 2 more questions. Okay, excited, happy, happy, learning it. Okay, right. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Oh my God, you all are able to answer so well. 4 is the right answer. Very good. Again, clapping for you all. Very good. You all are doing it wonderfully. I'm asking last question for single digit. Then we are going to do double digits, right? Okay. Okay, then. I want everyone's answer this time. Okay. Okay. So 4 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 3. What is the answer? Very good. Again, you all are correct. That's 6. Okay, this time, one last single digit question. But this time, I am going to ask you in speed. In speed. Ready? Ready? Sure? Okay. So 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1. Yes, great. Anaya, very good. Aradhya, Kriti, very good. Nice, nice. At least you have tried. Very good. I'm so happy. Okay. Ready for some double digit dhamal? Ready? Okay. So, 22. Let me tell you how you have to do similar digits. 22, right? This is 22. Now, plus. Okay. Now, whenever you have to add number more than 5, we have to add 77 to this. How we will add? 5, 6, 7. Okay? How we will add 7? 5, 6, 7. Whenever we have to add a number more than 5, we have to add 5 first, then we have to add more. Like we have to add 6. How we will add? 5, 6. Understood? Okay. So I'm asking a question now. 22 plus 77. minus 33. 1, 2, 3. Minus 11. What is the answer? 55. Yes, I hope you all understood the trick. Understood? Okay, I'm asking the question now. Okay, so my question is, I'm asking a very long question. Let me see who will answer that. Right? Okay, at least give it a try. I am sure you all are going to answer it. I'll ask slowly, okay? Okay, 77. 7 on both hands. 5, 6, 7, right? 77 plus 22 minus 22 minus 11 minus 11 again minus 55. What is the answer? Wow, that's so sweet. I'm getting answers from all across. Wow, wonderful. Okay, nice, nice. You all have tried well. Ready for another question? Ready? Okay. You know it is all messed up with so many messages. I cannot see you. Okay, now I can see everyone. Okay, now everyone is here with me. Okay, so asking the question, try to do it quickly. 44 plus 55 minus 77 plus 22 minus 33 plus 22. Yes, 33. Very good. Okay. So this was similar digit. 2 more questions for similar digit. Ready? Happy? You all are feeling happy? You all are feeling good to learn this? Yes. Okay. Okay. Vidit Singh, I can see happiness, so much of happiness on your face. Very good. Very good. I'm so happy to see you all happy. Okay. Asking you another question. 66 plus 22 minus 33 plus 22 plus 22. And the answer is, those who got 99, yes, you are correct. 99 is the correct answer. Okay, asking the last question for similar digits. Then, you know what we are going to do? We are going to do mixed digits like 23 plus 34, questions like that. Okay, one last question for similar digits. Okay, let me see who will be able to answer that. I am going to ask you a tough question this time. Everyone is able to answer it. Okay. Okay, I'm not scaring anyone. Don't worry. Okay, so 22, a little quick, okay? Plus 22 minus 44 plus 55 plus 22 plus 11. What is the answer? Oh God, Chaitanya, Kriti, Kasturi, Aradhya, Arav. I cannot read much names. Very good. Everyone is able to answer that. You want me to ask you one more question in a speed? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Okay. Then get ready. Get ready. All set? All set? Let's go. Perfect. Okay. So I will be in a little speed this time. Okay. Try to answer that. Let's see who will be able to answer that. So 88 plus 11 minus 22 minus 55 plus 22 minus 33. And the answer is yes, very good. Again, the same people have answered. Everyone is able to answer. You know, I am getting dull. You know, I will not be able to answer you now because you all are able to answer it so beautifully. Ma'am is feeling like I am getting weak because you all are able to answer it in more speed than me, you know. Very good. Okay, so ready for the mixed digits now? But you know what? You have to show me your cute smiles if you're ready. Yeah, like that. Okay, let me see everyone smile first. Let me see everyone is smiling or not. Okay, Tanush, Parenya, I cannot see your smiles. Yeah, I can see now. Okay. Okay. So many cute smiles. Okay. Perfect. Aradhya is still laughing, you know. Aradhya is so happy. I can see the happiness. Great. Very good. Okay. Coming to the mixed digits. Again, what is the trick for mixed digits now? You have to hear the number. You have to make that number. I am doing one question with you. Then more questions, you will do it alone. Okay. So, 23. Right? Now, I have to add 76 to this. How I will add? 5, 6, 7 this side and 6 this side. 5, 6. Right? Now, I have to minus 89. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how to minus 9 from this? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 50. 5, then 0 is 0. What is the answer? Smile. Yes, that's 60. Chaitanya, 60. Yes. So shall I ask you, are you ready to try? Sure. Okay. Asking you another question. Little hurry or slow first? Slow first? Yeah. And then hurry. Right? Okay. Okay. So 79, little slow. I will be slow. 79 plus 22 and 0, don't have to make anything go 0, minus 64 plus 52. Yes, what is the answer? 87. Lakshmi, Kasturi, Prithi, Parinya, Arnav. Everyone is correct. Wow. Wow. So nice. Very good. Asking you another question. Okay? Okay. Chaitanya, did you miss it? I'm asking another question now. Okay. 27 minus 12 plus 84 minus 90. Nine is the right answer. Very good. Okay. Want to try it a little more slow? Little slow? No? My speed is fine? Okay. 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 We'll try to do slow questions in slow more questions, 2-3 questions, then in speed. Okay? Okay. Arif, you're doing great. I can see you. Very beautiful. Okay. Let's try more questions. 21 plus 27 minus 38 plus 53. And the answer is Yes, 63 is the right answer. If you got a right answer, you can clap for yourself. Very good. Ready for another question? Ready? Okay. So 15, 1, 5, 15 plus 51 plus 23 minus 65. 24. Yes. Very good. So happy again to see so many right answers. Shall we try one more? Feeling excited? Okay, let's try one more question. Okay, so 59 minus 55 59 minus 55 plus 25 plus 20. Yes, that's the correct answer. 49. Very good. Okay, you all know the trick now. You all know the trick? Okay. So I'm asking you one question now, but maybe some of you can answer that and maybe some of you cannot answer that. I am just trying with a little tricky question. Okay? A little tricky question this time. So if you'll not be able to answer that, then I'll tell you the trick. That how you will learn that trick. Okay? I'm not going to teach that trick today, but I'll tell you that how you can learn that trick also. Okay? Ready? Okay. So 61 plus 22 minus 42. Can 40 be minus from this? No. Some of you are applying the maths calculations, right? But no, don't apply the maths calculation. Just stress on your fingers. Now, let me tell you, if you want to learn these kind of tricky sums, like how to plus 4 plus 1, you cannot do 4 plus 1. You don't have one extra finger. This is 5, right? So you want to know the trick? You want to know the trick? So how you can know the trick? For inquiry, your parents can contact at hello@podium.com and you can learn the upcoming course. We are going to launch a new course very soon, with help of which you can easily add, subtract, divide, multiply any number within seconds. You all want to do that? Yes? So your parents can contact at hello@podium.com for new course details and you'll be able to enroll yourself for new course. Okay? And then you'll be able to do wonders with numbers. I hope you all have done fun with numbers. Fun with numbers? So you want me to ask you another one question? One last question? Okay, one last question. Then if you want to proceed it ahead, you can definitely write us at hello@podium.com so that we can tell you how you can learn much more in this. Okay, one last question. 11, and I want you all to answer that. Very easy question. 11 plus 33 minus 44 plus 55 plus 44 minus 55. What is the answer? Yes. 44 is the answer. So I hope you all had fun, enjoyed with me. But for that, you have to show me a cute smile if you have enjoyed. Yes, like that. So beautiful. You all are so cute. Your smiles are so cute. And I really love teaching you all. So thank you so much. Faiza ma'am, you can continue. I love to teach you all. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I can see you all participated so well, and obviously, you all answered like the questions so well. I can see some people having sad faces, like Chaitanya. I will unmute you guys so that if you have doubts, you can ask ma'am.
Ma'am, kindly unmute them one by one so that
Yeah.
their question doesn't mess up.
So please ask like one by one. Don't scream. Take chances and ask ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, I am Shanaya. I want to ask that where is hellopodium.com?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
I can't hear you.
Sorry. I was on mute. Sorry. Okay. I was saying, Faiza ma'am, can you please tell that email ID on which they can post their queries? That's hello@podium.com.
Yes, ma'am, where it is?
Yeah. Hello@podium.school.
You have to do email at hello@podium.com. Okay.
For submissions, are you asking?
No, for their inquiries and for inquiries about new launch courses.
Okay, and you can also just simply message us on Facebook or WhatsApp anywhere. We are like,
Yes.
so that's like easier. So if you
Ma'am, what? Excuse me, ma'am, what
Please
is
open
the
your
home
camera.
assignment? Ma'am, what is the link?
podium,
Ma'am, on WhatsApp group in Podium, that one, there I couldn't send any messages.
you can
What is the link? Ma'am, what is the link?
link for what, dear?
See, you all are added in WhatsApp groups, right?
Yes.
So you can message the admin of that group about your queries, okay? Or you can simply message it on Facebook also, Instagram also. Your message will be answered, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What
Instagram
is?
the home assignment.
Ma'am, please open your camera.
Ma'am, 45 plus 49
Guys, you can.
Thank you.
Sagan ma'am, do you want to give them any homework? They're asking for homework.
Yeah, I will upload a worksheet. I will share it with you and you can just upload it on the group so they can practice the sound.
Ma'am, will you where will you send the worksheet?
It will be uploaded on the Facebook group.
On Podium in Facebook.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have any. Ma'am, should we print it and do it and then
Yes,
upload
you
it
can
back?
print that worksheet. You can print that worksheet and you can practice that worksheet and you can upload it again. So I will check it, okay?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have any Facebook, so can you tell somewhere else?
Yeah, you can message on WhatsApp or Instagram.
No, ma'am, I don't know your Instagram ID.
Podium School it is.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, at what time will you send the worksheet?
Very soon you will get it. Today or tomorrow?
Ma'am, it is Podium School.
Yes.
Ma'am, when is your next class?
Very soon I'm going to launch my second class with you and we are going to have fun in another class as well, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
So thank you so much for being joined with me and I really love to teach you all. So I'm going to come very soon for next class, okay? Bye-bye till that. Have enjoy. Stay safe. Enjoy at home. Bye-bye, everyone.